Hello there from Bugeyeguys. This is David here and Bodhi, the wonder dog, in the passenger seat. This is a Bugeye called Shelby. We just finished putting in a supercharger and a lightened flywheel, a larger clutch to handle the extra torque from the supercharger. And Bodhi and I are going to show you how wonderful this thing is. This is, to me, this is just about as good as a Bugeye can get. We just put this 5-speed Ford kit in, and you should be able to hear and get a sense of how nice it is to drive this machine. There's a lot more torque in the upper end of the RPMs, and it just opens up a whole new world of Bugeye driving. And these are such nice, capable little compact unibody sports cars, so they're stiff and tight, and the steering is incredibly tight. It's just a delight to drive them, and this is just about the right amount of maximum power. I'm sure there are people out there who want to put 200 horsepower in their Bugeye, but this is probably about 100, and it's plenty as far as I'm concerned for the platform. It makes it delightful. And of course, there's a wonderful exhaust note here. We have a bunch of custom exhaust systems that we sell. If you want your car to work like this one does, please give us a call. We'll be happy to pick it up and bring it to our shop and renovate it for you, improve it and upgrade it and sort it out. We do that for many, many cars each year. Or if you want the pieces and parts to do this, we have the supercharger kit. We also have the upgraded flywheel, and if you want a 5-speed transmission, Ford 5-speed, we have those, and we have them upgraded. We can sell you all the pieces you need to produce a car like this. But it's very wonderful for me. We've owned this car 3 different occasions. Each time we've upgraded it for the owner. This latest owner, Vernon, has asked us to put in the 5-speed, so that allowed us a chance to upgrade the clutch to this larger version that's lightened, and the rev quality, the way the car delivers its power is just really a delight. And so we're lucky to have had the chance to produce this car. I'm lucky to have a dog that enjoys riding in Bugeyes. He's been doing this for a long time, and he seems completely content driving around with me, so I'm grateful for that. And thank you for coming with us today from Bugeyeguys. It's a privilege.
You do high fives anymore? I'm not sure.
You're a good dog.